standing here smoking, waiting for the bar to open. It's my way of coping. A couple shots of bourbon to ease my hurting. It's really not working. And just for a minute, the local bar is my pain clinic. On the sidewalk going home, I feel so totally alone. When I get to the crosswalk, the car's coming to a stop. Nobody beside me to talk. When it rains you get wet and I feel like it's pouring. This is what I'm enduring. Sitting on a bench in the park, staring down at these shoes. Nothing can take away these blues. Minutes seem like hours. I have no sense of time, just these thoughts in my mind. Tomorrow I'll probably do the same, subjecting myself to this abuse.